This song right here took a couple days to put together. I had to do a little mixing and mastering. Before you come, I hear that long pause. I just wanna make up with you. I just wanna make up with you. Next to a waterfall. And that right there is just a little snippet of what was created. All your likes. Subscribe to the channel for more. I got more songs that need to be released, or I would like to release. Just subscribe to the channel and comments below if need be. Once again, hit that like button and subscribe. More content will be added. But you won't get the content unless you subscribe, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thank y'all.